everyone, welcome to my channel, and we are in Gibraltar, all the way from Sofia to Malaga, from Malaga to Gib. And today I want to show you a little bit around how Gibraltar is changing in some places, because every time I show it to you, I didn't show you Gibraltar for a very long time, I think, but every time I show it, it's changing, and so next time maybe you'll see it, it will be different again. So a lot of new buildings are going on, very tall blocks of flats, and it's changing the view of the Gibraltar itself. To be honest, I don't know if I like it or not, because I do like it from one side, because of course the new apartments, new beautiful blocks of flats are built up, and they are good quality, and of course it's developing. But on the other side, of course, it's started to look no different to the other big cities with skyscrapers, and I think soon we ain't gonna see rock. We can see it still right behind me, but pretty much not sea of the sea. Right now I'm sitting on top of one of the parks. I'm not sure if I showed you before the park itself. I'll show it in a minute. And before you used to sit on this bench, you could see through the beautiful views in front of the see the Spain, the other side, Spain and the mountains and the sea, and now you're looking at the blocks of flats. So this is not very nice, I would say. I don't know how much more it's going to all change, how many more these huge blocks of flats are going to build up, and will we be able to see anything? I showed you definitely the new marina they built, which was really nice to walk on it. At least from marina you can see really good views, but more in the middle of the town you go, less views you get. Now it's more of man-made jungles, I call it glass and stone jungles. So that's why I don't know, guys. I wanted to show you a little bit of the changes. Right now I'll show you a little bit of the middle of the town. The changes are pretty much everywhere, and especially we will go to Marina Bay, where they have built a lot of buildings now, and a new development is going on. So I want you to see before it's all gone, because after it will be built up, it's all going to look different. Okay, so hey guys, so I was sitting on this bench showing it to you. Let's see a little bit of this side, because this side is still preserved, the same old town and a beautiful rock, very green. Monkeys hiding somewhere, can't see them yet. But I have a cable car at the top, and yeah, the scenery from here is amazing. But when we are turning around on the other side, unfortunately there are no views anymore, guys. I remember standing here before, and I don't remember if I made a video in Russian, in English or not. Definitely have video in Russian. I'll have a look. And that's the new building, you see. That's on the right side was the first one built, and as far as I know, I looked at the plan, supposed to be two buildings, and a little bit different way it was supposed to be, but they changed it to three buildings. And you see, this is the second one is just grown quite fast, they building it, and the third one is already on its way. So soon it's probably going to, I don't know if it's the same height or not, but it's obviously, we have sea, a little bit of sea, but it's going to be all gone, so we ain't going to see the sea from this area anymore. That's the park I was telling you about. In here, right in the middle, right now we don't have many leaves yet. It's soon going to be very green. And over there, if we will go that way, I'll try to make a video a little bit on the other side of the park. So you'll see we have a Midtown. This is another development. You can see how tall it's also, and fast it's grown. We didn't have it before when I first time came in. I don't remember if I made videos previously what it looked like, but also over there where the Euro Towers, there will be also another development, will be Euro City, with three big blocks of flats also, and one of the towers is like 21 story, even higher, because there will be, well, I don't know, 21 with the stores on the bottom or without them. I'll show you a little bit closer in a minute. So that's kind of like I'm saying, from one side it's nice that it's all developing, but on the other hand we're losing the beautiful views and I guess the character of looking different to any other places, so it's started to look pretty much the same. The lots of buildings and the views are gone. Okay, just like I'm saying, I don't remember exactly if I showed the park or not before. This is the lift, so you can use it to go down. The name of the park is Commonwealth Park. You can see a little bit the plan of it and a bit more views. And we are going a little bit closer that way. Just want to show you a little bit around here. It's actually quite a nice area to you see for children. You can bring the children. They have a playground in here. You see a little one in here and a little bit bigger down there. And the main street is actually just over there, right parallel to this road. So just a bit of the you who missed the views of Gibraltar for you guys. And okay guys, if I did really miss with the video and didn't make it, so here's a little bit of overview from the top, so you can see what it looks like, and of course with the new blocks of flats, that's the views. And we are going that way. A bit closer, I want to see also myself what the Midtown, new buildings of Midtown looks like, and to see what's going on with the Euro City. So that's the Bastion, King's Bastion, and we are continue our walk. So you can see in here. Okay guys, so here we go. This is our Midtown. That's pretty much looks like it's finished. I don't know if it's 100% finished or not, because I can see there are still fences with construction. Maybe they will be building something else in here, I don't know. But I saw people coming out from this building, so maybe I'll pop up and see what it is. Maybe they have some shops. I don't know. I think there are some offices and apartments combined. So I'm not sure myself, so need just to have a look. But you see how fast it's built. Last time I walked around here, it was in construction, but it's already done. So interesting. You see how fast it's all growing in here. Over there also I can see there's empty space, and I don't know, maybe they're also going to build something in here. Euro City is behind those buildings. We will come a little bit closer in a minute, but what they're going to build in here, I don't know. I hope you actually can hear anything because it's very windy. But that's a little bit of view once again around. So I'm on top of the Bastion, King's Bastion, and a little bit of overview, views, 360 degrees. You're asking me sometimes to show you. That's what it is. Looking around, so and turning around back. So this is the Marina Bay, where we're going to. And I think you can see there is the new building right there in front of us. That's the one they built in the middle, the Ocean Village. It's still under construction. You can see that's it. I think it's the right one because it's have a very much of reflection from the sun. So that's pretty much built. And also, I don't know if you can see a little bit between another one, which is also belongs to Ocean Village, but called like a spa or something. You can see how it's all building up fast. And once again, this is the Midtown. Okay, I'm going right now to see what's with the next part. And here is, it's not finished yet, okay? So you see the Midtown is still not finished, so when it will finish, I will try to show it a little bit more. Well, here we go. I was directed this way, so that's where this Euro City is going to be standing. So, well, anyway, we can see it starts here. Something starting is building up here. So we have a Euro Towers out there, and so the new buildings will be standing out here. Next time, I guess I'm going to make a video. You're going to see it. So this is a little bit overview. That's what it looks like at this moment, and show you a little bit for the other side, where you can still have a view of the mountain, of the rock. Which you never know, maybe next time ain't gonna be a view. But anyway, this is what it looks like right now, guys. And then I will finish, we will see what it's going to be looking like around here. Well, here we are, guys, at the bus station. And you can see that's the one of the new buildings, remember the round one? I think it's pretty much finished. Just a little bit left. We will get a bit closer because at the bottom they have car parkings, which they are surrounded by the green plants. And here's another building which is nearly going to be finished. So now you can see there's between these two, the one in the middle now is nearly done. Still under the net, but that's what it looks like now. Okay, we walked all the way from the center. And closer look to that building which we just saw. You see, this is the parking with the greenery on it. I guess some parkings are going to be for the residents of this building. So you can see how tall it is. And on top of it should be some swimming pools and I don't know, something else maybe. So I'm not a resident there, so I have no idea what's exactly. I only saw it on the pictures. Well, it looks like it's not working yet, not open, because it says car park full, no barriers out there. So at the bottom, probably going to be some, I don't know, shops. There is like Ford Motors at this moment. What else is going to be? I don't know. Maybe that's it, nothing else. So this, you can see, it's called Ocean Spa and Plaza. So that's this is the the building right in the middle of well, I don't know, road. Very noisy here, and the World Trade Center is right in the horizon. I don't know if you can hear anything or not, but here we go. This is our marina, Ocean Plaza. Okay, my dear friends, so here is the view of the marina at this moment. You can see, I think from the last time I showed to you, it wasn't as finished as it is now. You can see a cafe a little bit over there. They have a little bit of fence made, like this brown fence. It wasn't there before. The hotel and casino is now a 5-star hotel, I think. 5 or 4? No, I think it's 5. I think it was 4 before and now it's 5. And as you can see right here, they cover up. You can't go through. Well, there is like a little tunnel they made, but I think it's only for those who are staying on boats or coming on yachts. But as you can see, it's all now going to in process of building something. Okay, so you can see the last days of Marina View as it is, the golden video, I would say, historical video. So the view, all the marina will change. I don't know how fast they will build it, maybe 1 or 2 years, because they build it really fast. But that's the view at this moment. You can see the runway at this moment is still there. And we will see what it's going to look like after it's all built up, guys. So that's it for now. If you like the video, of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I see you later. Bye everyone.